Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Google to set up advanced protection program, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in google.com and press enter. Once the Google homepage loads, locate the sign in button at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button. Enter your Google account email address in the field provided and click next. Type in your password and click next again. If prompted, complete any verification steps, such as two-factor authentication. On the Google homepage, click on your profile icon at the top right. From the drop-down menu, select Manage your Google account. In the left sidebar, click on Security. Scroll down to find the Advanced. Read through the information provided about the program. Click on the Enroll button to proceed. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up the necessary security measures. This may include using a security key or setting up additional verification methods. Once you have successfully enrolled, a confirmation message will appear. Review the settings to ensure everything is set up according to your preferences. You are now registered with Google's Advanced Protection Program. Make sure to keep your security keys and backup options safe. Congratulations, you have enhanced the security of your Google account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.